Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to team up with Purrfect Zone to be doing a review, how to, and a giveaway for their handheld luxury stainless steel bidet sprayer kit. Now if you haven't owned a sprayer before, you need one because they have tons of different uses. They are not just for cloth diapering parents, though that is mainly what people use them for, but I have been able to use my sprayer for tons of different things. And I can't wait to talk about that a little bit more. But today I'm going to be doing a quick review, a installation, and a giveaway. Now the first thing that I want to show you guys is inside the box and how they package this because they do a very nice job and everything is super high quality, so I love that. You guys know I love quality stuff. So let's take a peek inside the box. So this is the Purrfect Zone Luxury Stainless Steel Handheld Bidet Sprayer Kit. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. First on top here you have your instructions. So this is how I'm going to be installing it later on in this video. Shows you everything you need to know. And the packaging says that should take 10 minutes or less to install. Next you have a little card on top that has a free bonus, and you can even have 30% off coupon, so that's great. The first thing I have on top here is their hose, and this feels very nice. I really like it. So here we go. It's nice and flexible, so it actually feels really cool. But here you go, that is the hose that you will be using for the sprayer. That aside, you have a piece of foam on top here that keeps everything secured and safe. I love the way they did their packaging. You have a separate area over here for all the hardware that you will need. You have your plumber's tape right here. You have your super nice sprayer. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that piece out because I love it. And it's very easy to push, but it also has some resistance. So you can decide how much pressure you wanna use through this hose. So if you are actually using this as a bidet, you would only be using just a slight amount of pressure, and that is perfect for postpartum moms. If you are healing from a tear or you just want to be extra delicate down there, this is perfect for that. And if you want to get something really grimy off of like sheets or cloth diaper, you'd probably push this all the way in. So I love that there are different pressures that you can use because some diaper sprayers don't have that option and it just only sprays heavily. So I like that you can use this for postpartum as well. So that is the head. I'll go ahead and put that back in. Then you have all your other little tiny pieces. You can see these are all stainless steel and they're super nice. This piece here is not, but this is your T-valve and you will have to turn this off every time you are done using your sprayer just to prevent leaks and things. So this is a very important piece and this helps with the pressure of your water coming through. And then over here you have your hardware. As I mentioned before, this is all you need if you want to hang this on the wall or your toilet. So that is what is in the box. So let's go ahead and start this installation. The two tools you'll need for this project is a wrench and a screwdriver, which are not included, but most people do have on hand. Now before you install, make sure you check the line, the water supply hose that connects to the toilet tank, to the water supply valve. If this line is a rigid pipe, you will need to purchase a flexible water supply hose from your hardware store to replace it before installing the bidet sprayer kit. Step 1, turn off the water supply valve. Some homes may have this on the wall and some may have this on the floor, as I do here. Step 2, flush the toilet and hold down the handle to completely empty the tank. Make sure that you have emptied all of the water out, otherwise you may have a mess on your floor when you disconnect the hose. Step 3, disconnect the toilet water supply hose from under the toilet tank. I've placed a towel below here to make sure that no water gets on the floor if there is residual water in the tank. Put the flat rubber washer inside of the top of the T-valve. Make sure to use the plumber's tape that is included in this kit on all of the parts that will be attaching to the hose and to the toilet. You can see that I've wrapped the tape around these particular parts, as well as under the toilet where the T-valve will connect to. Connect the T-valve at the toilet tank and reconnect the toilet water supply hose to the bottom of the T-valve. Be sure not to over-tighten the connections. Step 4. Attach one end of the bidet hose to the open end of the T-valve and the other end to the Purrfect Zone sprayer head. Step 5. Mount the sprayer holster. Option 1, which I am showing you here, is mounting the toilet sprayer to the actual bowl. Another option you have is to mount this sprayer to the wall using the screws and anchors that come with your kit. Make sure everything is all tight and ready to go. And step 6, turn the water supply valve back on at the wall and check for leaks using the plumber's tape when necessary. Wait 5 minutes and then check again. If no leaks, you're all set. So I have the Purrfect Zone sprayer all installed now on my toilet here. And if you want to use this, you have to turn the T-valve to an on position. Right now it is in the off position, which is what you always want to do when it is not in use, is to make sure it's turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it to the on position. And you will hear a rush of water usually come through the hose. And so now it is officially on, and I'm going to show you guys just how good the water pressure is on this hose because it is pretty amazing and I love this. So here we go. We will start off with the strongest pressure, and I'm going to do it into the bathtub so you guys can see a little bit better. So here we go. That is amazing. This is a great amount of pressure that comes out of this hose. And what I really, really love about this hose is that you can go from a small amount of pressure to a large amount of pressure. You can do it gradually, you can do it fast. It's great. So whether you need it to be used as a bidet or a diaper sprayer, it's great for all kinds of different things. Even like, let's say you go to the beach and you have sand all over yourself still. And this is great to just spray off all that sand, or if your child gets sick, you can spray off bed sheets and things like that. This is not just for diaper spraying, so I love that. So here, I'm going to show you guys a light spray. There's like a very minimal amount. Works my way up. Light, medium. That's getting harder. Still not the hardest. That's even harder. That's the hardest. It's like a pressure washer, guys. It's pretty awesome. I love it. So this thing is really, really awesome. I'm really impressed with it, and I highly recommend it. This really didn't even take me very long to install. If I was not recording a video for this item, it literally probably would have taken me a good 7 minutes to install without recording the video. So I think it's great. I love it. So let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review and my how-to on this product. Now let's get down to the giveaway, and I hope you guys will all enter because you all at least need one of these in your life because these are super handy and I love them. Rule number 1, you must be a subscriber to enter into this giveaway, so make sure you hit that subscribe button up there so you can participate. And rule number 2, you must have a US address so that we can ship your product to you if you are the winner. Now let's talk about how to enter. Hit that Rafflecopter link down below and that will take you over to the giveaway page where you can enter up to 4 ways. 2 required entries, you must follow me on Instagram and follow Purrfect Zone on Instagram. And then you can also unlock 2 more entries where you can go visit me and Purrfect Zone on Facebook. So I hope you guys will try and get as many as you can because the more entries you have, the more of a chance you'll have at winning one of these awesome sprayers. This giveaway starts today and it ends next week, so I will put the dates down below here for you guys so you can see the very specific dates for that, and I will also put them down below in the description so you guys can check those out. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful and you are excited about this giveaway, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can enter into this giveaway. Thanks for watching!